ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இன்னைக்கு நாம காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாம்ஸுக்காக சில இம்பார்ட்டண்ட்டான ஒன் வேர்ட்ஸை பார்க்கலாம். Who is commanded on the weather from Margaret Atwood surfacing? Bloody fascist Big Youngs. Anna, David, Joe, Paul. Answer: David. Who has brought a calabash of cold water to his father Ezelu from Chinua Achbe's Arrow of God? Idogo Obligili Nuovo Aquiki. Answer: Morpho. Her Soyinkas, a dance of forest, was presented at the Nigerian independence celebrations in October 1960, December 1960, July 1960, April 1960. Answer: October 1960. In love, they were themselves in a green embrace, a silken rainfall through the spring upon them. The above lines are taken from P.K. Page's Atom, P.K. Page, The Metal and the Flower, P.K. Page's Adolescence, P.K. Page, A Book of Glosses. Answer: P.K. Page, Adolescence. Who is a Canadian poet from the following? William Wilford Campbell, Duncan Campbell Scott, Mabel Sedion, Langston Hughes. Answer: William Wilford Campbell and Duncan Campbell Scott. It was the best of times, it was the worst of times, it was the age of wisdom, it was the age of foolishness. These are the famous opening lines of the novel Jazz. Oliver Twist, A Tale of Two Cities, David Copperfield, A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Darnay. Answer: A Tale of Two Cities. Shakespeare has no heroes, he has only heroines. Ruskin means that jazz. Shakespeare has no heroes, Shakespeare has only heroes. Shakespeare's women characters are more powerfully drawn, Shakespeare's heroines are manly. Answer: Shakespeare's women characters are more powerfully drawn. Miss Rebecca Sharp makes her departure memorable by throwing out Jazz, the famous farewell gift of Jazz Academy, through the coach window. Webster's Dictionary, Johnson's Academy, Johnson's Dictionary, Webster's Academy, Johnson's Dictionary, Pinkerton's Academy, Webster's Dictionary, Pinkerton's Academy. Answer: Johnson's Dictionary, Pinkerton's Academy. Treasure Island is traditionally considered a jazz story, historical, coming of age, adventure, satirical. Answer: coming of age. Certain for 15 years, we who till then in the shade rested under the box of a mighty oak, mention the figure of speech used in these lines. Answer simile. Okay friends, thanks for watching.